Today, October 18th, I took a trade regarding the MSCI Emerging Market Index, which is a selection of stocks that is designed to track the financial performance of key companies in fast growing nations. Um, the index tracks mid cap and large cap stocks in 25 countries. And as you can see here on my chart, this is a weekly time frame, weekly chart, and it's a downtrend since February 2021, 21 months or 84 weeks, massive downtrend. And let me show the daily chart. And I saw this daily beautiful bullish hammer, a bullish pin bar structure pattern with a long bullish wick tail here on the bottom, which also is shown below the previous low here. So this tells me that this could be banks that are stepping in and buy heavily when it comes to this emerging market index. And on the 4 hour chart, I stepped in here at 862, just above this 4 hour chart pin bar or bullish hammer. Well, it's not a perfect pin bar. It's red, but the most important factor is that we have a long wick on the bottom here and a nose up on the top that is not that big. But this is a major signal that buyers stepped in fast. And also where this structure, this pin bar is located. It's a very important factor, this symmetry here. So I stepped in here, a buy stop order. It turned back for a pullback. And then it went up again. And unfortunately, my take profit level was exactly here. It's so close. You can see the wick here on 4 hour chart here. So it's ridiculous closed. And now we can see it's bearish. So my stop loss was just below this wick, this structure here. But unfortunately, you can see how close it was. It was no take profit level here. So I will actually leave the market and close this and wait for a pullback further on the downside. And I put an order here at level 850. Exactly here, I can see a demand level here. And I think this will rotate down all the way here. It's approximately 50% Fibonacci retracement from this leg here, from the top here, from the bottom here, this leg. Half of this structure is about here. So this is about 55% Fibonacci pullback level. So I will take my trade here and I put my stop loss here at 832. And my take profit level is at this level. So I will actually push it down a little bit. So I go for almost 2 times my money, risk reward relation 1 to 9, because it's very important to have a pretty good distance between the previous wick and the stop losses. So we will see what happened. I hope you like this trade, and bye for now.